Hello everyone. Today we're gonna deal with an online vehicle booking app, Android app, and a website version. Uh, if you want to use the website version, you can check it on www.vuun v-u-u-n.in www.vuun.in. So if you log into that website, you can get the web version of the Vuun. And today we're gonna deal with the Android version, Android mobile phone version. So this will be the tutorial for the user side and the driver side. Okay, the user side and the driver side app are in one app actually. So I'm gonna select the Vuun here. Okay, the net is not very strong now. As you can see, it's only 4 point and 2 point something like that. It's fluctuating. And the net is quite slow, so we may need to wait time and again. So as you can see, there's a user button and the driver button. If you want to log in as the driver, you just need to select the driver, and for a time being we'll be logging as a user, so we're gonna click to user. Okay, here we're having our index page for the user side. Okay, if you're new to Vuun, so you just can register yourself. It's a free sign-in. You can register yourself free of cost. So all you have to do is just fill in the fields and just sign up. And after signing up, you will be automatically entering to the home page. Okay, now since as I already registered myself for a demo purpose, so I'm gonna use that demo. Okay, I'm gonna use that demo account. So the password, I'm gonna enter the password now. Okay, here we are. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna, as said earlier, the net is so slow, so it's not really, the process is not that fast. Okay, here's the home page for Vuun.in user site. Okay, here's the pickup location and the drop location. The pick location stands for the source location from where you want to start your journey, and the drop location where you want to stop your journey actually. Okay, so there can be three kinds of entry for a source. Okay, you can use your current location. Okay, now after clicking the current location, the map will be shown. Okay, if one thing is that if the net is slow, so you may need to wait for some time to let the map appear on your screen. And this S is your source location as seen as seen on the screen, and or you can enter the location name. Okay, but here you just cannot enter any location as you wish, like uh, league house or something like that. It doesn't matter. It doesn't make any sense. uh, when you click it on it and you type something, okay, you have to select from the list, from the drop down list here. Okay, okay, if the location is not available in the drop list, so that means you cannot use that. So now I'm gonna use one of these. Okay, I'm gonna select Sercon Lule, okay, as my source. Or you can use another method, that is choose on map. Okay, now the maps appear, the map refresh. Okay, there's a lot of pin now. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. Okay, let's say I want my source location. I want to take my right from here. Okay, that's my source location. Okay, so when you click on the by when you are choosing your source locations from the chosen map method, so the location name is displayed as the coordinates of that place, of that location. Okay, and for your destination location. Okay, now I'm gonna use. Okay, not site. Could you hold on? I like site better. Okay, okay, that's site complex. Okay, the concept is still the same whether the source or the destination. Both are same in the concept. You can use choose your map, or you can select it from the list. Okay, I'm selecting my source and my destination now. Get the map. Okay, until and unless the distance appear in here. Okay, as long as the approximate distance is the written approximate distance is appearing, you can't click search. Okay, even if you click search, it won't matter. Okay, so just wait for a time when the distance is appearing. Okay, so now 0.25 is the distance between the source and the destination. Okay, uh, this is the distance from A to B, source and destination. Okay, and we have a search area. When we by search area we mean uh in how will I say, like in which area shall we find the cap. Okay, so if you select 1 kilometer, that means you will search for the cap in 1 kilometer around you, surround you. Okay, in the area. Okay, in 1 kilometer area. So like that. So now I'm gonna select 1 kilometer. Okay, I can select 7 kilometer, up to 7 kilometer. Okay, I don't think you need to call an taxi or any cab outside 7 kilometer. Oh, no, wait. So I'm gonna, okay, here's the kind of uh, here's the type of vehicle that I want: van, taxi car, auto rickshaw, JC pickups. Okay, we can add more of the vehicle type. Okay, we can add like luxury cars or something like that. Okay, that can be done from the administrative page. Okay, for a time being, I add only this, as this is only for the demo purpose. So I add only van, taxi car, auto rickshaw, JCB, and pickup. Okay, now I'm gonna select van. Okay, and search. Okay, remember this is only for a demo purpose. Okay, I'm searching it. Okay, here we have the driver ID 22. We have the driver name Laltran Puya. We have the phone number. We have his phone number in here. We have his license number. We have registration number. And the distance kilometer. When by this distance kilometer we mean uh, how far is that driver from us? Okay, from our source location. Okay, that's it. And the pickup charge. Here it's nil. Okay, here's the dropping charge. Dropping charge is 22, and the total charge is 22. Okay. The system automatically calculated mm, the fare already. Okay, from the data that we have provided, I mean, like from the distance. Okay, and from the distance between us and the driver. Okay, and okay, we're gonna look more deep into the driver app so you can understand it. Okay, this is for only for users. Okay, so now we want to use this driver. Okay, there can be a list of drivers in here. Okay, and we can select among those drivers. Okay, probably obviously that customer will go for the cheaper one, I think. So okay, now we have only one in the list, so I'm gonna request this. Okay. And one more thing is that even after requesting, okay, this driver request, right? Okay, this icon appear again. Okay, and let it disappear first. Okay, as I told you, the net is a bit slow, so now it's only 0.47. That's so slow. Okay, now driver ID. Okay, we have the driver ID 22. Okay, go. That means we confirm the driver and okay, and wait for each and every field to be filled. Okay, okay, now it's all filled. And okay, the total charge that I need to pay for my ride is 22. Okay, maybe in dollar or maybe in rupees, or okay, that depends on the area where you use your app. Okay, now it's confirmed, waiting for approval confirmation. Okay, waiting for the confirmation from the driver side. Okay, and the driver may not see your request for a certain period of time. So in that case, you just can call the driver, make a call. Okay, hello. Okay, I was booking your cab and it's been a long time. So where are you? Or anything like that. Okay, you can call, make a call on. Okay, now you can go back to your home page. Okay, now request confirm, right? That means it's in here. Okay, so that's about the user side. One thing that you can do is you can add your location. Okay, adding your location. Any location you can add. You can, okay, by clicking choose on map. As I told you, that is a bit slow tonight, so it's taking a lot of time to let the map appear. We're gonna wait for it anyway. Okay, now it's appearing. Okay, in a map you can have different kind of view: aerial view, raw view, and bird eye view. But bird eye view um is not applicable in my area, so I'm gonna use aerial view. Oh, I don't know which location should I do. I need to. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in because I can't understand the map from far distance. Okay. Ah, right. This is what is this place? Where is this place? I don't know. Okay. I'm not very sure with the location in here. Okay, so just excuse me. It's gonna be done soon because I need it to be appearing even after. Okay, here. Let's just. This seems to be the church. Okay, not really sure which location it is, but okay. Here, you click it, and you click that select location. Okay, that location name. Okay, let's just be the church. Let's just say it's a church, I think. And which locality? I don't know. Maybe Ramtar. Okay, and no city, no state, no country is appearing in here. City, country, and state will be taken from your accounts. Okay, that will look into it. Okay, so choose some. Okay, here is the coordinates, the latitude, the longitude, and add location. And we're gonna have a pop-up. Congratulations, location successfully being added. Okay, then that place will be appear in your map. Okay, okay, now uh history. What we mean by history is that I was using this app for a longer time now, let's say, and I was taking a ride through this app. Okay, those records were recorded, and the last 10 trip has been displayed in here, have been displayed in here. So, in case of loss of property or any kind of problem that arise, you can simply look into this one, and then you can trace back whatever thing and all, whatever necessary, you can do it from here. Okay, okay, now go back to the main page, and here's the profile. Okay, here, the profile, you have your phone number, you can update it, you can have your email updated, the city, the state, and the country. As I told you, these city, states, and country, these fields are really needed when you add your location actually. So make sure that you have your correct city, correct state, and correct country. Okay, here's your homepage again, and I think that's it for the customer. Okay, one more thing is that uh, you can mail to us anytime you want. Okay, this is my mail. Okay, from okay. The reason why I was from is as you can see. Okay, this one. Okay, and you can call us as well. Oh, just wait. Okay, you can call us anytime. Okay, all right, and that's it for customer side. Uh, I will be putting this online in YouTube, and if any question arises, you just can um, ask any questions from the comments below. Okay, okay, thank you. Have a great time. Thank you.